Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn problem number 50 from Leetcode, uh, power of x and power of x, which is n. Okay, so implement power of x and x comma n, which calculate x raised to the power of n, that is x to the power n. Okay, input equals to x equals to 2 and n equals to 10. 2.00 something, and output equals to 1024. Okay, here you can also see input equals to 2.1000 and equals to 3, and output will be 9.2610. Okay, so here we can also see x equals to 2 and n to the power minus 1. Here we got output 0.2500. Okay, so if you have 2 to the power minus 2, then you need to write this like 1 upon 2 to the power 2 equals to 1 by 4 equals to 0.25. Okay, so here I'm going to solve this problem. If n equals to 0, hmm, hmm, then we need to return 1. If n is less than 0, we need to return 1. 1 divided by 1 divided by self dot my power. Self dot my power x comma minus n. Okay, if n is less than 0, okay, so here we will handle power like this, minus in minus. If we have power in minus, then we need to if we have power like 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, so I need to write this 1 upon 2 to the power 2. Here you can see 1 upon self dot my power x to the power minus n. It's mean 1 upon x to the power minus n. Okay, oh sorry, 1 upon self 1 upon self my power x minus n. Okay, so that mean 1 upon x to the power n equals to x to the power minus n. Okay, so like if you have x to the power minus 3, okay, if you have x to the power minus 3, then you can write it like what, 1 upon x to the power 3. Okay, okay, and 1 upon x to the power 3 equals to x to the power minus 3. Okay, so this is for our minus power, it handling the power in minus. Okay, and after that I need to write half equals to self dot self. So here you can see half equals to self dot my power, this is the function, and x comma n by 2. Okay, so it's mean we are going to handle half number. Okay, so if we have a half x equals to x by 2. Okay, so if we have a half of x equals to x by 2. Okay, so after that mm, like if n divided by 2 and got a reminder 0. Okay, and then it return half into half. Okay, so this is used for handle a even, like a even numbers. Okay, so a power of even numbers like a 2 to the power 2 to the power 4. Okay, so where we got a reminder equals to 0, so it will handle. Okay, if we got reminder equals to 0, then we will handle like this. Okay, so like if you have x to the power like and y and x to the power, like you have 4, then what you write? X equals to x to the power 2 into x to the power 2, x to the power 2 and x to the power 2 equals to x to the power 4. Okay, so this is used for handle a even power. And else return half into half into x. Okay, so this is used for handle odd powers. Like if you have x and x to the power 5, then how can you write it? Write it like x to the power 2. Here you can see x to the power 2 into x to the power 2 into x. Okay, so we got x to the power 5. So this is used for handle odd power, and this is used for handle even power, and this is for half number, and this is used for handle the power of minus, like if we have x to the power minus 3, then we can write it 1 upon x to the power 3. So that's why uh, here I wrote 1 upon x to the power like some ln. Okay, so and this is used for handle power of 0, I mean 2 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0, so we got 1. And this is used for handle less than mm, mm, 0, power less than 0. Okay, so guys, bye bye, take care. I think you got it. Now I'm going to submit it. Okay, so bye bye, take care.